This is a brutally honest review about the 3-in-1 stand from Kuxiu. It charges not only your phone, but it also opens up, transforms into a charging stand that allows you to charge the AirPods Pro as well as a Apple Watch. This 3-in-1 is a 15-watt charger, and it's gonna also give you about 1.2 of a charge. So after your phone completely dies, you put this on the back of it, you're gonna get one full charge. It's gonna have maybe a little bit more life there, but for the most part, after that one charge, this is dead and needs to be charged again. One of the things that I've come to appreciate from everything that Kuxiu makes that I've tested, all of these items have felt sturdy. They always are made out of some type of metal, titanium. You can tell that it's not made out of plastic. Now the charging speed does change based on what part of the charging stand that you're using. If you're using the input on the side of the device, you're gonna be able to have a 20-watt charge. If you're charging any iPhone device, you're going to be able to get a 15-watt charge. If you are charging the AirPod Pro that has the MagSafe, or you are charging a smartwatch, you're going to be able to get 5 watts of charging. A 0 to 50% charge is going to take about 30 minutes. It can do a 0 to a 100 charge, but just know, like I mentioned before, it is a 1.2 charger. So after that one full charge, you're not going to have much power left. The thickness of this stand is pretty considerable, and I think that is due to the fact that it does transform into a full stand that you can have beside your bed on a nightstand or on a dresser or just around the house. From just a visual comparison, looking at the iPhone, looking at an iPad, it's almost double the thickness of those devices. That's why I lean more towards this being a stand that you can take anywhere. And I think that has been the smoothest use for me. I have noticed also that it does stick a bit better when it's going directly on the iPhone. I would say from my testing, I feel the most comfortable when I have this completely closed up and I'm using it as a power bank flat on a surface. If I were to take this on the go, I would use it as a charging stand. I think it stands the most stable, the most consistent, the most easy to use as a charging stand. Just to avoid the discomfort of carrying it on the go and the extra bulk that's there because of the width of this device. Now I did opt for the Desert Titanium, and now if you are familiar with the most recent lineups of the iPhones, there is a Desert model and it perfectly matches. It looks beautiful on a Desert Titanium iPhone. The device has curved edges, very smooth, very similar to what I see on the iPhones and the iPad devices. So it does look very compatible. It looks very at home on an iPhone. Another nice feature is the gold edging. It really gives it that more refined look. So I do appreciate that. And when you start to open it up, it just transforms into a charging stand. This is where you're going to charge your iPhone. You can do an AirPods Pro here. You can also do an Apple Watch here. If you turn it over, there is an arm that you can use to stand it up directly, just like that. And then you can put your phone on it and have it charged. You can see here after you're connecting it, it gives you those dots that indicate that it is now charging. When you connect this to your phone and you're on the go, it adds quite a bit of width to your phone. That's not my favorite, feature of this because it does make it a little more challenging if you're trying to take this on the go, because it does say on the back, traveling wireless power bank, and it's intended to be taken on the go, but it does, you can see it already kind of sagging off. Now this is a MagSafe case, so if you have an older device like this one, I think this is like the XR, you might have some issues with it sliding off. I noticed less problems with it on a iPhone that has MagSafe built into it, or you have a case, which most people do have cases on their phones. You may notice it not attaching quite as well. I don't know, that may be an issue with all MagSafe power banks. It is a little bit thicker, not the easiest to hold in your hand. It does add a little extra bulk there. So just bear that in mind if you're thinking about getting one. The thing that I do like about this is it just looks so nice. It looks like a future piece of tech on a desk or a nightstand. It looks nice. So minimal, looks like a piece of art. And it's one of my best looking charging stands that I have for sure. This does allow you to charge with the USB-C cable. It also comes with the USB-C cable, so you're able to connect that directly in right here. And the cool thing about this is not only can you have it connected to your phone and charge that, but you can also have it connected to a USB-C and charge at the same time. So that is really nice plus. I think when it comes to the variety of things that this can do, I mean, it really does give you a lot of flexibility because you can take it on the go and have this directly on your phone, and then you can open it up and just have it stationary at your house. I think if I had something like this, just because of my fear, obviously, of using this or damaging this, I would probably use this at my home. In a pinch, if I need an extra charge, maybe take it out. But for the most part, this would be a home device for me. Yeah, so that is the 3-in-1 charging stand from Kuxiu. What are your thoughts? Do you think you want to grab one? If you are interested in grabbing one, there is links below and a promotional link as well to their website to check out the product at a discounted price.